Windy and cold, that is going to be the story of tomorrow. Cold high pressure area, and the jet stream dries a cold chunk of air from way up north right across us and lasts for about 48 hours. Now, wind advisory is in effect because as that cold air rushes in tomorrow, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., there will be many gusts 30 to 40 miles an hour. That'll be very commonplace for a good number of hours. But I think there'll be some gusts that'll be even higher than what you're seeing here. So we do have to be aware that there could be some downed tree limbs or a few downed trees and scattered power outages tomorrow. Don't expect it to be quite as prevalent as the last couple of real cold outbreaks, but nonetheless, some issues could develop. So there are your temperatures around 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Problem is, sun is out. Now it's late morning, higher sun angle, but the temperature drops because that cold air mass is enough to offset that. And then, of course, it stays cold and turns even colder overnight. Very cold temperatures coming up, down into the teens at least. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if there are a couple of upper single digits. And only struggling up to around or a little over freezing for a high temperature Thursday afternoon. Don't think we'll break records this time. The Thursday record low is 6 in Boston. Right now, I'd say 12 to 14, and the record low is 4 in Worcester, probably be between about 7 and 9 degrees. Now, we'll warm up a little bit Friday afternoon into Saturday morning. Then another cold front comes through. We turn chillier Saturday afternoon through the rest of the weekend. And then late in the weekend, early next week, a couple areas of low pressure may try to bump into that somewhat colder air, which could mean either a chilly rain or perhaps even a mix or a wintry mix coming up late weekend and early next week. So yesterday and today were great, but I don't think that's going to be repeated, at least for a little while. Hope to see you later on. I'm meteorologist Harvey Leonard.